If you are a car person, you tend to recognize all kind of squeaks or sounds that come from your car. I was also observing a certain type of squeak that was coming when I used to go over speed bumps or speed breakers. Upon inspection, I found out that what happens is that when the AC gets cold, this silver pipe that you see forms some condensation which then drips onto the sway bar bushing, and that is what is causing the squeaking sound. In order to fix that, we are going to remove the sway bar bush and grease it up a little with some kind of a lithium grease, and that should stop that squeaking sound. The first step is to loosen the lug bolts. We have now jacked up the car. The wheel is free now. So what we'll do is we'll place some jacks, like a jack stand on each side on this subframe point. I'll place it and then show you. So we have taken out the wheel, and this what you see is the sway bar or stabilizer bush, and we have to pull this out and then grease it within the pipe, within like this bar and this bush, so that it does not squeak when the water comes in here. Get a good access to that bolt there. We are removing the link rods. These are also new, so we don't have to change them, but we are removing the connection from here so that we can easily reach those two bolts. So we have removed the link rod from here and there. So this is what connects the stabilizer bar as well. And now we'll undo these two screws, and we should be good to take out the stabilizer bush. So we have pulled out these two bolts from there, and now this is free, so we can take out the bush. I'll take it out and show it to you. So this is the bush that we have pulled out. We'll clean this, and then we'll apply some grease on the inside and then put it back on this bar, stabilizer bar, so that it is free to move and it does not squeak anymore. So we have applied some grease into it. Now we'll slide it back onto the stabilizer bush, and then we'll connect the bracket and put in the nuts, and we should be good to go on this side. We'll put the link rod back again, and we'll put on the tire, and then this side should be complete. So let's put this back. So we have completed the procedure on this side. We have installed the bush, it's completely in place. We have also installed the nut bolts here. We have put back the link rod on both the ends. Now we can continue the same on the other side and put the wheel back on, and we should be good to go.